Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening accounting vouchers and choosing Journal or pressing F7. This puts you directly where entries are recorded. Choose the company and confirm the financial year, because postings affect reports instantly. Set the voucher date, add a unique reference, and type a concise narration explaining the purpose. Once done, pick the primary ledger for the debit or credit line so the system balances. Make sure to use the correct currency and effective date when entering amounts to avoid later reconciliation. Next, you enter the transactional details. First, select the debit ledger and type the exact amount, then move to the credit ledger and input the matching total so the voucher balances. If there are multiple components, add extra ledger lines or allocate to cost centers to reflect internal tracking. For payments subject to TDS or GST, fill those statutory fields now so tax books update. Once all lines are complete, review the narration and totals. Mistakes here ripple through ledgers and reports, so confirm before saving. To finish, accept the voucher with Ctrl+A. Tally will save and update books in real time. Then verify the entry in the daybook and confirm balances in trial balance to ensure the impact is correct. If you need to inspect details, open Display, choose Account Books, then Ledger and view the affected ledgers for line-by-line confirmation. If something is wrong, first check for unmatched totals, wrong ledger type, or an incorrect date. These are the most common issues. Correct and resave to restore accurate reporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.